Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do this beautiful Ganesha idol with this cute Mushak and this bowl of modaks. So let's get started. So first I'm taking this tight coil made of 16 strips and I'm going to make this into a dome shape. I'm using quilling mold. Now I'm going to add glue inside this and I will spread it using my brush. In the same way I have to make one more. Now let them get dried for some time. Now I'm taking this tight coil made of 12 strips and I'm going to make this also into a dome shape. Now I will add glue inside this and spread it using my brush. Now I'm taking this tight coil made of 14 strips and I'll make this also into a dome shape. And I will add glue inside this and spread it with my brush. Now we will assemble the parts. So first assemble both of the 16, then the 12, then the 14. Now I'm taking this tight coil made of 6 strips and I will make this also into a dome kind of shape. This is the leg. I've added glue inside it. I just bended it little bit. In the same way we need one more. Now to cover this we need some dome shapes. So this is 5 strips tight coil and I will make this into a dome shape. Add glue. I've made 2 now. Now I will stick it. The same way I'll do this one also. Now I'm taking my pencil and I'm going to add glue around it. Now I'm taking this tight coil which is made of 2 strips. This is for the hand. So you have to do like this with the pencil. I'm just bending it little bit. Now I'm taking this tight coil which is made of 2 strips and I will make it into a palm kind of shape. Like this. I'm going to attach this. Now I'm going to attach the legs to the lower body. I'm taking this palm. I showed you already how to make a palm. So I've made it and now I will attach this. Palm is made of 2 strips. Now let this get dried for some time. Now I'm taking this tight coil which is made from 7 strips and it is a 10 mm. Now I will add glue around my pencil and spread it with my brush. Now I'm going to insert the pencil inside it and make the face along with the trunk. Now insert glue inside. Now I'm taking this tight coil which is made of 10 strips and I will make it into a dome shape. Add glue and this is for the crown. Now I'm going to paint this in skin color. Since I don't have it, I'm going to make it. So I'm taking white and yellow acrylic paint and I'll just paint it around. And also in the lower body I'm going to do the same thing. Now let this get dried for some time. Now I'm taking this red color strip and I'm going to wrap this around my glue bottle. I will continue one more strip with this. I wrapped 2 more strips around this because I thought it's very small. So total now there are 4 strips. Now around this I'm going to attach these small tight coils. I've made this using half strips. And totally I've made 18 tight coils. Now let this get dried for some time. Now I'm taking the head, it's dried, and I'm taking the crown which we had made, and I'm going to attach the crown to the face, and I will attach the head to the lower body. Now I'm taking these 2 hands which I've made each with 2 strips. This is for the Ashirwad hand. I'm going to connect them both now. And I'm making a palm shape. This is one loose coil and I've attached it. In the similar way I made one more, and I have already showed you how to make these back hands. So our 4 hands are done, and now I'm going to attach them. Now I'm taking this tight coil which is made from 4 strips. This is for the ear. And I've made it into such kind of triangular shape. And I've made 2 of them. Now I'm going to attach this with the Ganesha. Now I have wrapped one white strip around the chakra which we had made. This is for the bowl. I have made this tight coil using 5 strips. And now I'm going to make a dome shape. Add glue inside this. I have made this small modaks using half strip, and I have just made it into a cone shape. Totally I have made 5. One I will be putting on the Ganesha's hand. I have made some tight coils and made it into cone shapes. So first one is of 4 strips, second one is made from 2 strips, and this one is also from 2 strips. This I have made into dome shape. Now let's make the Mushak with this. So first I'm going to attach the head together. And now I'm going to attach the head with the lower body. Now let's look at our Ganesha. So I have decorated the Ganesha with some half cut pearls, some chains, some beads. I've also put some beads in the ears, and I have added jewelry. And I have also painted the eyes and tilak. Now I have made the tusk. So both the tusks are made using half strip. In the left side one I have made it into a cone shape. Now I have added the lotus. So the downside petals I have extended it little only. In the upside one I have extended it little bit more. In the same way I have made one more. So now the head and the body is dried. Now I'm taking this tight coils which I have made using 1 strip, and this is for the ears. Now I have made the eyes and the tail. So eyes I have made using punching machine, and I have added black acrylic color for the eyeballs and white acrylic color for the nose. Now I'm showing you how to make the tail. So I am taking a little bit piece of black strip. I've made it into a little tight coil, and I am opening it like this. So similarly I have made the tail, and I have already shown you how to make this bowl of modaks. If you like this video, do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Click on bell button and select all option. Till then, thanks for watching. Bye bye. Happy Ganesh Chaturthi to you all.